Hello everyone, I'm Riley King and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Dental hygienists worry about safety as dentist offices begin to reopen. Hygienists say adequate protections not in place. The trade organization representing dental hygienists in New Hampshire is surrounding an alarm over plans to reopen dental offices, saying they're worried about patients' safety and their own. Hygienists said they're the most at-risk profession for contracting COVID-19. Even more than respiratory therapists. The New Hampshire Dental Hygienists Association asked to be in the last phase of dental office reopenings, but instead they're in the first. Hygienists said they're concerned about having access to adequate personal protective equipment. They said saliva droplets spray and can linger in the air during procedures. They took away the tool that hygienists use as part of the standard of care, the ultrasonic tool, said Myra, president of the association. But dentists can still use their drill, which produces the same amount of aerosol. An oral surgeon who worked with the task force said the intent is to reduce risk. You can't practice dentistry without the drill, but you can practice hygiene without the ultrasonic, said Dr. Richard Risotto. There is nothing in our field or any medical field known as zero risk. Officials with the hygienist trade organization said they follow guidelines from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention that still recommend emergency procedures only. We're pointing to entities that are scientifically based, said Susan of the New Hampshire Dental Hygienists Association. You can't pick and choose the things you like. Risotto said the task force recommendations for protective equipment are in line with the CDC's, which defers to local regulators to decide what's best for them. Hygienists said without testing at the office door, COVID-19 is a game changer. Then our infection control would be great, Suzanne said. When you don't know you have it, that's the problem. Hygienists said they're also concerned that if they refuse to go back to the office, they could get fired. Governor Chris Sununu said businesses have to have the ability to move forward, and the state's focus is on unemployment for those choosing to stay home. And that does it for this news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this news report. Goodbye, everyone.